Hi y'all. I was at work Wednesday and apparently Daddy got the kids out and cleaned my PT Cruiser. I mean, y'all, it's not really like 100%, but it's so much better. So I was just gonna show a little bit of what they did. Just thank you guys for watching and see what y'all think. So this is what it looks like now. And actually, I forgot to mention that the car has been sitting for over a year because it has a bad CV axle. But y'all, I mean, the kids did really, really good. They did fantastic, y'all. It's still got a little kind of brown spots in there. But I mean, it had molds, crud. I don't know what was in here. Like I said, it has been sitting for over a year. But I am so proud of them doing it for me. This is actually a 2002 PT Cruiser. And it still looks pretty dang good for a, what, 20 years old car. So we are going to attempt to fix the CV axle today. And what do y'all think, guys? And don't forget to like and subscribe. Mabuhay!